Ripple has sown millions of XRP at a loss. XRP shows extremely bullish signs amid a price downfall, and Ripple case related news drew investor interest. Well, guys, we've got so much to talk about today, so let's not waste any time and get right into it. So first, we got this tweet from Rob Art, Crypto Coins crew. The moment you buy XRP, I thought this was quite the funny post. Let's take a look at this one.
Let's see. It's got a nice little. Let's see. Movie.
Oh, yeah, it's already on a downfall.
Hold up. This area right here.
Oh man.
Hold up, wait. You need to wick out and go. Simple. Wick out. Come on.
Yo, my gosh.
Oh. Yeah, 150. Equity.
Dang. Look at that. You see the pain in the man's eyes, bro. For real, that's what it'd be like. Every effing turn, bro. It only takes one wrong turn. So true. It hits stop loss and then goes up. I stopped trading it. It's gotta be like the stars or something like that. You know, that don't happen. If you're smart and you're making good decisions, then you know, I mean, if you're buying at here, this is another tweet from a Lord XRP at Bit4Coins. Hashtag Ripple is like Swift, but the technology isn't 50 plus years old. XRP is the key. Check mark. Let's check this video out.
Ripple is like Swift, isn't it? Yes, I mean,
Interesting.
Starting
Okay.
point, kind of our first use case for the technology, the blockchain technology, and the digital asset XRP was to solve that cross-border payments problem.
Right.
Swift is quite antiquated, kind of designed 50 years ago. It's slow, it's expensive.
Yeah. So yeah, it's basically taking that ability for cross-border payments. And so guys, everything's about utility when it comes to crypto coins. And so here we can see that with Ripple and XRP, it's about the utility. The main focus is for cross-border transactions. We're looking for low transaction fees, and we're looking for fast transaction times with a high threshold of transaction amounts, right? So quite interesting how this works. I love to see it. The next tweet we have is from our great David Schwartz. This is coming from Lord XRP again. Hashtag XRP must watch. David Schwartz, we need our competitors to succeed.
The ecosystem to succeed. An analogy I sometimes use is your
Okay, so before we get too deep into it, he just said we need the ecosystem to succeed, and that's a key point here, guys. So remember that.
phone. Like everybody in this room probably has a cell phone on them, and that would allow them to tweet about this talk right now. But they don't hold that cell phone to tweet about this talk. They hold that cell phone.
Okay, firstly, what is this terrible music they got going on in the background?
Because there's an entire ecosystem from Twitter's competitors. And so Twitter doesn't have to worry about, how do we get people to have cell phones? How do we get people to have home internet access? No, they just say our target market is people with cell phones and home internet access. And we have those cell phones because of prior competitors of Twitter, companies like Facebook and MySpace, and they built the internet. And we need an ecosystem if digital assets are going to succeed, and Ripple's not going to build that ecosystem single-handedly. Twitter can't be in the cell phone business.
Okay, what David Schwartz here is saying that, like, he's kind of using the analogy of Twitter, right? Twitter isn't marketing for people for the demographic of Twitter is people who have phones and have access to internet. Now they're not gonna market phones or market that environment for them, right? They have other companies, other competitors of them, like Instagram, like Facebook, like Threads and such, that also kind of work in tangency with each other to promote people to get phones and get internet. Likewise, for Ripple to succeed, it's good for our competitors to succeed as well, because we're creating the cryptocurrency environment. So this is key, guys. The fact that we may see a downfall in XRP as we're looking in the previous things doesn't necessarily mean that XRP is going to die or it's done, right? It may make room for a new competitor to enter, and thus increasing the whole demographic of cryptocurrency, people who are interested in crypto, and allowing another opportunity for XRP to stand back up. This applies to music artists as well. Stop knocking the competition out and start propping the competition. In the end, we all strive harder, and as a result, we all win. True. The market's high, right? You can cut and cut, but the pie can expand and grow too. Don't forget about that. And you can do things to influence that pie. Next, our article. Ripple sells millions of XRP at a loss. Details. So, crypto tracking service Whale Alert detected an impressive amount of XRP move from an anonymous wallet to a crypto exchange on October 10th, about 18 hours ago. The destination of transfer initiated by an unknown blockchain address was the Bitstamp exchange. Still, data on the transaction provided by an additional source helped to reveal the true identity of the sender. 30.7 million XRP transferred from an unknown wallet to Bitstamp. So, as you can see here, guys, the company sent this massive XRP chunk to the exchange, while XRP hasn't been in the red over the last week and has also dropped 8.5% within the last 7 days. According to data provided by the coin market cap, therefore it was this sale, Ripple sold the coins at a loss. Still, there's another opportunity. Bitstamp is one of Ripple's ODL platforms. ODL stands for On-Demand Liquidity, a RippleNet-based service of funds transfers, which utilizes XRP. Recently, Ripple has rebranded it into simply Ripple Payments. Thus, by sending 30.7 million XRP to Bitstamp, Ripple could simply provide another lump of XRP necessary for ODL transfers to be made via Bitstamp in Europe. A similar amount of XRP, 30.3 million coins, was moved by Ripple to the same destination on October 9th, as uncovered by U.Today earlier. Very interesting. Very interesting. Next, from U.Today as well, XRP shows extremely bullish sign amid price downfall. So, disclaimer, these opinions expressed by our writers are their own and do not represent the views of U.Today. The financial and market information provided by U.Today is intended for information purposes only. And guys, sorry, I tried reading as fast as I could, but that's important to know. You know, it's really nice that they were saying this. I try to say it every video, try to take a second to let you guys know that this is just financial news I'm giving you guys. I'm just trying to bring you some information. I'm not encouraging you to buy, nor am I encouraging you to sell, nor am I encouraging you to do anything. What I am encouraging you guys to do is do your own research. And if you're going to invest, if you're going to sell, if you're going to buy, be smart about it and do your research. That is the only advice I'm going to be giving. Anything else is just my own opinions, what I believe, but it's not anything that anybody else should just follow blindly. Always make sure you're doing your own research. And back to the article. While the rest of the cryptocurrency market is bleeding out, XRP is painting a picture not many are seeing. Despite the local downtrend and a breach in the local support level, there's an extremely bullish sign emerging from the ripples of the market. As the latest data, XRP is trading at approximately 48.84 cents, a level that many investors are keeping a close eye on. The volume, interestingly enough, is on a decline. This is typically a bearish indication, suggesting decreased interest in the asset. However, in the context of a price that is also descending, this falling volume points to a lack of momentum for further downward movement. It is bears running out of steam and bulls just biding their time. Interesting. So this gives a lot of hope. Yeah, we have been seeing XRP in a little bit of a downward trend, but overall, looking at this graph, maybe you can zoom in here. Overall, looking at this graph from, I believe this is the beginning of the year, it's slowly making its way up, right? And it's kind of on this downward trend right here. And there was a huge spike, and we saw a slight peak over here. Now we're seeing a little bit of downfall, but it's looking like it might be bulls just biding their time. So we will see how that turns out. Either way, it's fantastic news to hear that Ripple might be on its way back up. So XRP news, SEC, Ripple, and the implications of Coinbase victory. So in previous videos, I have talked about the XRP case quite a bit. It's a very important part to the success of XRP. And not even just the success of our XRP, about how we should go about investing it. News in this specific topic is going to be huge for how we should go about buying and selling, because it's going to have a lot of impact. So now granted, there's a lot of other factors that could be at play here too. There are a lot of other factors that are at play. However, this definitely holds a significant weight. Okay, so the Tuesday overview. On Tuesday, XRP fell by 1.29%, following a 2.86% decline. On Monday, XRP ended the day at $0.4965. Notably, XRP extended its losing streak to 4 sessions. Unfortunate. SEC versus Coinbase pending rule leaves XRP on the defensive. There was no SEC versus Ripple case related news to draw investor interest on Tuesday. With SEC versus Ripple trial likely to start in the second quarter of 2024, investors may consider other SEC versus crypto cases as a proxy. While the SBF trial grabs the crypto headlines, the SEC versus Coinbase case remains significant for the U.S. crypto market. The crypto community awaits for Judge Catherine Fila ruling on the Coinbase motion to dismiss MTD. Crypto advocates view the SEC versus Coinbase case as a significant evolution of the U.S. digital asset space. So in case you guys don't know what's going on, In June, the SEC charged Coinbase for allegedly operating as an unregistered securities exchange broker and clearing agency. Additionally, the SEC charged Coinbase for unregistered offering and selling of securities in connection with its staking as a service program. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe Coinbase is one of the biggest platforms for trading in general. The court ruling in favor of Coinbase could really change over the whole entire crypto landscape, especially within the US. So we're gonna have to hold our hands, hold our notes, and hopefully we'll see a benefit in that. Here we can see the line here, the trend line going on right there in this weekly chart, and hopefully it continues pushing up. When you saw this kind of trend yesterday as well, and hopefully we're gonna see a follow up with this as it continues going up, but there's no confidence yet in it, just predictions. So here's another chart kind of reiterating the same thing but on a larger scale. This is the 4-hour chart in case you guys are interested, and this is the daily chart. So really cool. Hopefully this works out very nicely for all of us and XRP in general. But anyways, guys, that's all we have for the video today. Thank you so much for tapping in. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And guys, like I say every video, everything is just financial advice or financial opinion. Sorry, it is not financial advice, just my opinion and me just talking. Try to give you guys most updated news on XRP, just a general overview. Listen to this when you're driving to work, watch the video when you're chilling at work, or you just come home and you need just relax for a bit. I'm here to just deliver this information to you. Just get it on your head, and then you can take a look deeper into any of these things. And if you have any questions, anything you want further insight into, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll try to get back to you. And if I don't, then somebody in the comments community will as well. But these videos aren't monetized, so I'd really appreciate a like, a subscribe, and a share. It would really mean the world to me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and good luck trading.